Our wax temperature is exactly at 150 degrees again. This time we are adding 60 milliliters of hydrated aluminum to the solution. So let's add our hydrated aluminum. And again, our temperature went down to 125 degrees centigrade. And when it goes up to 150, we will add again the third addition. Will be 2 ounces again for the third addition. This old work magazine takes place at a lower temperature, but yet seems to saponify faster than when a high temperature is used. The idea is that when you add it at a low temperature, the hydrated aluminum is supposed to actually expel the water a little slower, resulting in more of the molecules of stearic acid to be saponified by the hydrated aluminum, and to have a better chance of all of it combining rather than vaporizing. This process has less vaporization and loss of stearic through stearic vapor.